Have you ever looked back and realized that your best period came and went and almost nothing changed? One of the most common questions I hear during consultations is, when will my good period start? People wait for a better transit, a better dasha, a better year, a better opportunity. But here's something that surprises many people. A good period does not automatically create a good life. In fact, some of the biggest opportunities shown in a chart end up being completely wasted. Today, let's talk about why that happens. And more importantly, how you can avoid making the same mistake. First reason, good times usually arrive disguised as work. Most people expect a good period to feel magical. They imagine sudden success, unexpected money, perfect relationships, everything falling into place. But astrology works differently. A beneficial period may bring an opportunity, a new job offer, a mentor, business idea, a chance meeting, and it could also mean moving to a different city. The problem? Opportunities look often like work before they look like awards. Many people ignore them because they don't look exciting enough. Then years later, they realize, oh, yeah, that was the opportunity. Reason two, fear doesn't disappear during good periods. This is a huge misconception. People think when my good times come, I'll automatically become confident. Not necessarily. The opportunity may arrive, but fear often arrives with it. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of leaving comfort behind, fear of success itself. I've seen charts where incredible opportunities appear during excellent periods, but the person said no because they didn't feel ready. Astrology opened the door, fear kept them walking through it. Reason number three, many people are looking in the wrong area. This is fascinating. Someone asks about marriage, but their chart is currently activating career. Someone focuses entirely on finances or money, but their chart is emphasizing education or personal growth. Sometimes someone waits for a relationship, but the life is trying to build self worth first. The universe isn't always going to send growth through the area you are watching. Sometimes the gift arrives through a completely different way. And if you're obsessed with only one outcome, you may miss it. Fourth reason, success creates complacency. This may sound strange, but difficult periods often make people alert, focused, disciplined, hungry. Good periods can sometimes create the opposite. People relax, delay decisions, stop taking action. They assume opportunities will automatically be available. And that's where things begin slipping away. A favorable transit can create momentum, but momentum still needs participation. The chart can provide the wind. You still have to raise the sails. The last reason, people don't recognize timing until it's gone. This may be biggest reason of all. Timing in the hindsight is obvious, rarely in the moment. When a positive period begins, there isn't usually a giant sign saying, congratulations, your opportunity window has officially opened. Life feels normal. Opportunity seems small. Conversation feels ordinary. Introduction feels random. A decision feels insignificant, but years later, importance becomes obvious. That is why awareness is so powerful. The more you are aware about your timing, the more you are likely to recognize opportunities while they are happening, not after they have passed. The most important lesson, a good period doesn't guarantee success, it guarantees possibility. Think about it, possibility, not certainty. Astrology can show when doors are more likely to open. It cannot force someone to walk through them. That choice always remains yours. And often the difference between two people with similar charts is not merely luck, it's awareness. One person notices the opportunity, the other overlooks it. If you've ever felt like good period came and went without producing the results you expected, don't immediately assume astrology was wrong. Ask yourself, did I recognize the opportunities? Did I act when the moment arrived? Was I looking at the right place? Because sometimes the biggest gift isn't discovering when your good period starts, it's learning how not to waste it when it arrives. If you'd like to understand opportunities, timing windows, hidden growth periods in your chart, you can book a private consultation using the details on your screen or in the description below. Sometimes knowing what is coming is helpful, but knowing how to use it can change everything. I'll see you in the next video.